In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive Trello cards in 2025. Whether you've archived a card by mistake or simply need to pull up an old task for reference, the process of unarchiving in Trello is straightforward. Let's walk through this step by step. First things first, navigate to your preferred web browser and go to Trello.com. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in at the top right corner of the page. Click on Login and you'll be directed to the login page. Now, Trello offers a couple of options for logging in. You can either use your email address and password, or if you prefer, you can log in using your Google account. Choose whichever method you find most convenient and proceed to log in. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Trello homepage. Here, look for the Boards tab. You can find this option neatly positioned to help you navigate directly to your various boards. Click on Boards to proceed. Once you're on the Boards page, focus on the Your Workspaces section. It's usually where all your current works and projects are organized for easy access. The next step is to locate the specific board where the card you want to unarchive resides. Go ahead and click on the board you wish to explore further. This will open up your board, revealing all the different lists and cards within it. This is your central hub of activity, so take a moment to get familiar with it if you aren't already. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll spot three horizontal dots, which is typically known as the Options menu. Click on these dots and a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with a variety of options. Among these, you'll see an option labelled Archived Items. Select Archived Items to view a list of all the cards that you have previously archived. In the list of archived items, scroll through to find the card that you are looking to bring back to life. Once you've found it, you'll notice an option that says Send to Board associated with each card. Clicking on Send to Board will promptly transfer the archived card back into your active board, making it fully accessible once again. This method ensures that none of your valuable information ever gets lost or is beyond reach. You can perform this action as many times as needed, allowing you to effectively manage your tasks and projects. With that, you now have a clear understanding of how to unarchive cards in Trello. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you seamlessly navigate and utilize the archiving feature in Trello.